Hey guys, so we're here at Shibuya Crossing. This is what it looks like, and we're waiting to cross it. It's beautiful here in Japan. Okay, we're gonna cross very soon. We weren't too sure if this was the Shibuya Crossing because it looks so different from like the aerial view pictures. Okay guys, we're crossing. So this is the Scramble. Shibuya Scramble. We made it. We're here at Shibuya. So hot day. Hey guys, we're gonna be walking the Scramble. Let the frenzy begin. Oh yeah, so much fun. You're walking with me. Guys, we're crossing again. Get ready, you guys. We're gonna be crossing again. A lot of people on the other side. Pardon my face, it's very sweaty. I know, it's just so hot here, but laban. Let's go! Woohoo! Flashing my million-watt smile here in Japan, like what? Hooray, we're back, you guys!